Just Anthony Copeland is in for Matt this morning as well. And Anthony, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much. And boy, I'll say 2025 is really putting you to work so far.
Yeah. Just a stark reminder that it is winter, and we're about to get a real dose of the winter season in full force. Cold, wind, and lake effect snow showers. Therefore, we have prompted today, your New Year's Day, with a winter impact alert day because of the winter weather. All throughout the day, right into your Thursday night, we're looking at more lake effect snow that will generate and cause problems across parts of the area, including the primary and secondary snow belt. Snow will be heavy at times, and the snow is going to be coming with some cold air and also some windy conditions. Here's where it's snowing right now. All snow, I think, for everyone. We were looking at that transition that happened from west to east as cold air continues to vect in. Right now, everyone's seeing snow. Ashtabula down to Lenox. I-90 is in decent shape because of the warmer temperatures through most of the day. It's been snowing over the past few hours for Eastsiders. This is a live shot of Warrensville Heights. This is a look at I-271. Both overpasses in main arteries, snow covered. You can see the roads partially covered, at least on the roadway. So if you're going to be out earlier on, depending on where you're traveling, inside of the city, not too bad. This is just east of downtown, 490 at 71, just damp roadways. So inside of the city, again, we're still holding on to that little bit of urban heat effect. Outside of the metro, different story. Take it slow for Eastsiders if you're coming from the suburbs, especially Geauga, Lake County. The further east you go, that is where you're going to be running into some slush on the roads. In addition to the snow, looking at the wind speeds, sustained around 10 to 15, gusts around 25 to 30 miles an hour. So the lake effect warning will continue throughout the next 36 hours. How much snow? I'll let you know. And also more snow to talk about as we approach this weekend as well. Back to you, David.
All right.